Once upon a time, a farmer with a vision of growing a tree planted a seed. The farmer put all his hard work, time and energy in making his vision bloom. He nurtured the seed with all the necessities and it gradually grew into a tree. Then the tree flowered and bore fruits of the farmer's labor. Arfin India Limited is reaping the fruits of this labor, having grown from a mere 17 crore to 320 crore, an extraordinary growth of 19 times in just 4 years. Arfin India Limited, the story of success, year 2012. The experienced vision of Shri Mahendra R. Shah, complemented by his young dynamic son, Shri Jatin M. Shah, buzzing with innovative ideas, raring to go, laid the foundation of Arfin India Limited, an entity born to conquer, capture and be the leader of the aluminium world of the future, and true to their belief in just over 4 years. Today, Arfin India Limited is one of the leading and fast-growing aluminium companies in India. With manufacturing facilities located at Chhatral Industrial Area, corporate office at Ahmedabad and branch offices spread across the length and breadth of the country. Starting with only 2 verticals, Arfin India Limited has diversified its business into 7 verticals, namely aluminium wire rod, aluminium diox, cold wire products, alloy products, automobile parts, cable and conductors, with master and ferro alloys being the latest product line in the list. Aluminium wire rod and aluminium diox, which are used to deoxidize the steel and to complete the steel manufacturing process, are the matured businesses of the company, catering to all major steel players of the country and also covering overseas market. Cord wire plant. Main product lines are calcium silicon cord wire, cafe cord wire and graphite cord wire. Currently, the plant is running at full capacity and company has bought second plant of cord wire to meet the increased customer demand. Today, the aluminium alloy ingots plant, having capacity of 6,000 metric tons per annum, is producing aluminium alloys ingots as per individual customer specification, is running at full capacity. Aluminium auto products. With India being one of the largest auto industries of the world and its emergence as a prominent auto exporter backed up by favorable government policies of allowing 100% FDI and the recent growth of Gujarat, particularly Ahmedabad, as an auto manufacturing hub, Arfin is all set to dynamically develop this vertical, having growth potential, master and ferro alloys. The company is entering into new dimension of master and ferro alloys business, which will cater to metal industry, with the power sector about to undergo a transformation throughout the country. The company's diversification towards manufacturing of cable and conductors signals rapid growth in the short term. Arfin has total inbuilt capacity of 53,600 metric tons as on 31st March 2016, out of which 41,600 metric tons was operational during 2015-16. The company sold 20,000 metric tons of goods during 2015-16, registering a robust 24% year-on-year growth in volumes. Be it climbing the Mount Everest or winning an Olympic medal, these landmark achievements spell the story of grit, determination and application, of achieving excellence against all odds, and hence a moment to rejoice, celebrate and bask in the glory. And so it is for us here at Arfin. The phenomenal progress of Arfin speaks for that. Net sales have grown from 1,600 lakhs in 2012-13 to 27,300 lakhs in 2015-16, 17 times. EBITDA earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization grew from 34 lakhs in 2012-13 to 1,500 lakhs in 2015-16. 44 times.
Arfin is consistently and strongly investing in products and technologies that would make sure powerful as well as rapid growth of the company. The company is continuously stimulating markets with the addition of new product lines that will seize the increased market demand. Company's balanced portfolio of products and operational excellence have been the key drivers of this worthy performance.
Arfin's story of success is the result of sound HR policy which have contributed to blooming of happier and more productive talent, driving every member to perform to full potential, working in tandem, tirelessly day in and day out. A separate in-house team consistently analyzes, understands the needs and works upon to reduce the cost of production without impacting the quality and ruling out bottlenecks in the manufacturing line to ensure timely delivery. Thus the working in sync with the three mantras of the company: quality, commitment and timely delivery of goods.
Today we are moving forward at a pace like never before, and each step of our journey has been paved by our strong foundation, our values and our sound business model. Our business is firmly anchored across multi-product lines and that are well positioned, and our relationship with customers has always been paramount.
And now, with the favorable impetus provided by the government by way of investor and manufacturing-oriented policies of Make in India, Startup India and the government focus on the ease of doing business, with the much-awaited arrival of goods and service tax reforms on the anvil, with India being on the threshold of massive infrastructural growth in the coming years, further propelling the growth of the aluminium industry. Arfin is gearing up and all set to grab these opportunities through rapid expansion and modernization, particularly of the aluminium wire rod plant, cord wire, alloy products plant, through massive expansions, acquiring land, adding sheds, adding machineries, increasing the warehousing capacities of raw material and finished goods, and commissioning of new plants to augment the steadily increasing demands of the Indian economy market growing at the rate 10% annually.
18,000 गांवों में से 10,000 गांवों में आज बिजली पहुंच गई है.
Come, let us all unite, for it's time once again to gear up our seed bands to zoom ahead to future with power. Like our net profits from 12 lakhs to 661 lakhs in just 4 years, a growth of 55 times.
We thank you all for your confidence and belief in us. We wish to continue our long-term relationship.
The new mantra of success of Arfin is: growth is power and power is growth.